Rochelle at the Athlete Center. This video is going to show a muscle energy technique for the pelvis and SI joint using the hamstrings. So what we're going to do is use the muscle contraction of the hamstring, so the muscle in the back of the thigh, to help guide some mobility at our SI joint. And the SI joint is where your pelvis and your spine meet. Okay, so we're going to start by laying on our back. And I'm going to do this for my left SI joint. So I'm going to bring my left knee up towards my chest. So I'm not going to bring it so far that my other leg starts to move. I'm just going to bring it till I start to feel a little bit of resistance. So that resistance you're probably going to feel right here. You might feel a little bit of a pulling in the low back. But I'm going to go till I feel a little bit of resistance. Kind of, you can see how it starts to bounce back. So I'm going to go basically to the beginning of there, and then I'm going to push the back of my leg down towards the floor. So the direction of push is that way. So that's going to activate the hamstrings, those muscles in the back of my thigh. So I'm using my hands to guide my leg up, and then I'm going to use my hands as resistance. So when I push, holding there, I'm going to hold for about 5 or 6 seconds. Then I'm going to relax. And then I'm going to see if I can go a little bit further into that hip flexion. And then I'm going to push in this direction. So you can see when I push, I'm using my hands to resist, so I have no movement in that direction. And then when I relax, I'm going to go a little bit deeper into hip flexion. So push, hold, 3, 2, 1. Relax, and then go a little bit further. So I usually will do anywhere from 3 to 6 repetitions of guiding that hip a little bit deeper, as long as we're not getting to that point where the other leg lifts off. Okay? If that other leg lifts off, then we know we're moving through our opposite leg and back, and we're not targeting the area that we're trying to. So we're going to keep that leg down and only going as far as we can without compensation.